Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to start Olympiad question of geometry chapter lines and angles. So in this question, in the given figure, PQ parallel to RS and EF parallel to QS, you can see this figure. Here this PQ line is parallel to this RS line, and this EF line is parallel to QS. If angle PQS is 55 degree, then the measure of RFE, we need to find this angle RFE, this one. We need to find this angle RFE. So how to find this question? So for this question, we will use the concept of parallel lines, in which the transversal line cut both the lines. Okay, so how to use the concept of parallel lines? You can see this PQ line is parallel to RS lines. Okay, and suppose we will this angle RFE, let me consider this RFE angle is X. So first of all, we will consider this RFE. Let angle RFE is equal to X. So it is X. This angle is RFE. RFE we need to find here. So RFE angle is X. Now you can see, if according to question given that EF parallel to QS, EF parallel to QS, it is given. So if EF parallel to QS, so if two lines are parallel, so this line FS means R to S, or we can say F to S, they are transversal line. If two lines are parallel and one line goes like this, so you can see this is the transversal line, and this angle and this angle will make the corresponding angles. So you can see in this figure, this is your EF and QS. So suppose it is your EF and it is QS, or this is a transversal. So you can see easily this angle and this angle will make a corresponding angle. Okay, so if it is X, we will suppose RFE is X, so it means it is also X. So we can write RFE equals to this angle. It means we can say FSQ, which is X. Okay, now this is X. So now we will find this X value. How to find this X value? Again, the given part is PQ parallel to RS. We will write again PQ parallel to RS. This PQ line is parallel to RS line. And if two lines are parallel like this and QS is the transversal, PQ parallel to RS and QS is the transversal. So you can see this is the 55 is given and it is X. So you can see these two angles will make a co-interior angle. So everybody knows if two lines are parallel, one is the transversal. So sum of the two co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So we will apply the co-interior property in these two lines. PQ parallel to RS, it is given. Okay, so this angle is 55 degree, and this is already we know that X 180, and reason sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree. So X value is 180 minus 55, which is equal to 125 degree. Now you can see X value is 125 degree. So if this X is 125 degree, so this X is equal to RFE, because they both are the corresponding angle. We need to write here corresponding angles. RFE and FSQ, they will make a corresponding angle. So we will write here the reason also corresponding angles. Okay. So this RFE is also x, and already we know that the value of x is 125. So our RFE is also 125. So B part is the correct answer. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.